So this is how we start the hot dog lab. So I have a hot dog. This is a ballpark all beef bun size hot dog. And I'm going to break it up into pieces. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And I'm gonna break it up into pieces, big chunks, and put it inside the blender, like so. Then I'm gonna add some hot salt water and turn it on. And that's going to help pull out or extract the oils that will be inside the hot dog. So I'm gonna begin by just grinding it. And then I'm gonna liquefy it. I liquefied that hot dog for about 5 minutes in the blender. And so now I'm going to pour my hot dog slurry into a test tube, like so. And then I'm going to put the liquefied slurry down into a centrifuge. So this is what the centrifuge looks like on top. So I'm going to put the hot dog down one tube, and then for the sake of balance, I'm going to put a test tube that contains water in the opposite tube, and that way when it spins, it won't be off balance. So then I'm going to close this up. Whoops, and turn it on. And I'm gonna let it spin for another 5 or 6 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the centrifuge. So there's a pink, chunky layer at the bottom. There's kind of a, well, it's supposed to be clear. Maybe I didn't spin this quite long enough, but there's kind of an opaque looking liquid in the middle, and then there's a tiny, it's really hard to see, but there's a tiny pink layer toward the top that's solid, just like the pink layer at the bottom. And then there's an orange, liquidy, oily layer at the top. And so that's the results of our centrifuge.